Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels in the body. Here's a detailed explanation of how insulin works. Before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here's some points. 1. Glucose regulation. When you eat food, especially carbohydrates, your digestive system breaks down the food into glucose, a type of sugar that is the primary source of energy for your body's cells. The glucose is then absorbed into the bloodstream, causing your blood sugar levels to rise. 2. Pancreatic release. In response to the rise in blood sugar levels, the pancreas releases insulin into the bloodstream. This release of insulin is triggered by the presence of glucose in the blood. 3. Cellular uptake. Insulin acts as a key that unlocks the doors of your body's cells, allowing glucose to enter and be used for energy production. This process is crucial for providing energy to the cells, especially in muscles, fat, and liver cells. 4. Storage and utilization. Once inside the cells, glucose can be used immediately for energy production or stored for later use. Insulin helps in storing excess glucose in the liver and muscles in the form of glycogen, a storage form of glucose. It also facilitates the conversion of excess glucose into fat for long-term energy storage. 5. Blood sugar regulation. Insulin also helps regulate blood sugar levels by inhibiting the production of glucose in the liver and promoting the uptake of glucose from the bloodstream into the cells. This helps maintain blood sugar levels within a narrow range, preventing them from getting too high, hyperglycemia, or too low, hypoglycemia. 6. Feedback mechanism. As blood sugar levels decrease after a meal, the pancreas reduces the secretion of insulin. Conversely, when blood sugar levels rise, the pancreas increases insulin production to help bring the levels back to normal. In summary, insulin plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels by facilitating the uptake, utilization, and storage of glucose in the body's cells. It is essential for maintaining energy balance and overall metabolic health. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Take care yourself and also care yours nearest to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks. Bye. See you again. Love you all.